Ah, Just Cause 4. What a peaceful, calming experience.
Your Cybertruck wishes it could do this.
Shit is being struck by lightning. Ow, ow. I just spent the last hour trying to get OBS to record properly, but you know, it works now. We're playing Just Cause 4. I knew there was this thingy.
Oh,
Aha! That's how I do the thing. We are falling really fucking fast. Okay.
Got the target. Have a grenade.
Jesus.
wish I was a tornado.
What the fuck? Let's find out what this button does. Wait, isn't this the one that makes... Oh. This is the one that makes a tornado. I didn't need to go that high. Okay, everything's getting a little fucked up. That's a whole ass tornado right there. Oh, whoa, Jesus. Okay, this place was not built for tornadoes. Even though it makes them. Oh. I am so sorry. Fly away. Fly away. Oh boy. So. This game's perfect. I love it.
Here we go.
And up we go. This isn't how tornadoes work, by the way, just, you know, so we're perfectly clear. This is not what tornadoes do. We're tornado surfing. We are literally tornado surfing. Oh no. Everything is A-okay. I gotta sneeze. All good ideas begin with a passenger jet and a tornado. We just gotta draw in a little close. Not too close, just a little bit. Trust me, I am a professional. It was fucking terrifying. We missed the tornado. Loop this bitch back around. It is impossible to fly on mouse and keyboard. Where's the tornado? That's a mountain! That's a mountain! Get out! Get out! Get out!
That was nice.
Get out! You.
Hola, ¿cómo vas? Are we going out tomorrow?
Alright, tornado. I was not ready for that. That was too much speed, too quick. We are riding a tornado. And hitting a mountain.
Yes.
Ooh!
Nailed it. Is that a... Hold on. I'm taking this. I'm doing some shit. If you can't see what I'm wanting to do, I don't know what to tell you. Where do you get into this thing? Yes. fly this thing. I'm assuming it controls like a... I am shocked this thing is not being pulled. Oh, it is being pulled in. It's being pulled in. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Yeah.
Bacano! You just punched a hole right in the Black Hand surveillance network.
With a weapons crate and a railgun. Alright, good to know. Now, unlike Just Cause 3, that is not survivable. Yeah, this lake, looks a little green. Also, that looks like a giant dust cloud. Just a big brown smear. I'm gonna go inside. What just exploded? I was about to say it's very calming out here. Oh god, where am I? Am I falling? Yep, I was falling. The hell? I tried to pull the parachute too fucking late. I banished you to the shadow dimension. Goodbye. No witnesses. Holy hell, they took off fast. Okay, guess I am not hitching a ride with it.
So we need to film a chase. Garland said you'd be up for it. You mind? This car's ready to go.
I mean, I'll take the car. I won't promise a chase. Oh no.
Nice, so Black Hand are on
Get
their
out
way.
of
You
here.
just need to shake them and try to make it cool.
You could have just asked.
What style is in front vehicle?
You can't catch me, bitch. I'm too fast. I'm too fast, too furious. Too fast, too furious. You can't handle the car. Don't worry about what I'm doing. It's totally normal. I am shocked this thing is still... Oh, there it goes. There she goes.
Air support is en route.
That's what a real chopper should look like. Hell yeah. Are they gonna go down anytime soon? They're just hanging out up there. Just vibing. Okay, I need to get the fuck out of here. Get the hell away from me, you bitch! Come on, reload. Is that even gonna hit? It's gonna hit. No, it isn't. Well, shows my goofy ass for not paying attention to where I'm going. Those move so much slower than I expected. Also, it's burning. How is it still going? Whoa. Well, that was satisfying.
If you don't mind.
We're going up. Holy hell, this is fast! Oh, I haven't blown that car up yet, apparently. Well, that bridge is fucking by. Holy shit. I just want to destroy the rest of this bridge. There we go. I had to finish the job. I had to finish the job. Where's my lightning gun? Oh, I'm holding the lightning gun. Duh. My rockets. Oh hey, they actually, you know what? I'm shocked that they managed to figure out you shouldn't be driving up the bridge. What the fuck? You fellas good down there? Let me help you out. Oh, you got it. You figured it out. Yeah, they figured it out. They're fine. Okay, I don't know how this thing is gonna... I don't know how this thing's gonna react, but for science. Yes! Where did the other tether go? It's gone. What the fuck? Oh. I was supposed to tether it to the ground for that to work. Please get out of my way. I said out of my way! Could you guys stop having a massive shootout right next to my experiment? I swear to God, if that grenade hits... Okay. I'm trying to do an experiment, we all fuck off? There. Okay, experiment attempt number 2. That did not go any better than the last one. That's a waterfall. Wait, what? What are you crazy people doing? Back up! Back up! What are you people doing? You psychopaths! It's a waterfall!